Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense. Today we're going to take a look at another idiom with a color in it. And today's color is green. I love green, don't you? Green means spring, green means clean. But today's idiom is to have a green thumb. To have a green thumb, do you have a green thumb? I don't. Green thumb has nothing to do with the color of your thumbs. No. To have a green thumb means to be good with plants or to be good with gardening. You're like your plants grow really well because you have a talent for growing plants. You have a green thumb. Oh, why do we say to have a green thumb when most people use gloves these days? I don't know, but now you can read and understand these sentences, I hope. My friend loves to dig in the soil and get his hands dirty. He has quite a green thumb. What? Come on, English.